today's video, I'll show you how to autofill a jot form using Excel, a simple trick that saves time and reduces manual work. Let's get started. Begin by opening your browser and searching for Jotform. Once you're on the site, log in and head straight to the form builder. When you're inside your form, look for the Add Form Element option. This opens the tools you'll need. Now switch to the Widget tab and search for the widget called Spreadsheet to Form. Add it to your form. This widget is what allows your Excel data to automatically fill the fields for you. Next, click on the widget you just added to open its settings. You'll now upload your Excel file. Make sure your spreadsheet is clean, organized, and includes all the data you want to pull into the form. After uploading, set the access code column. This column acts like a key that matches each form entry with the right row in your spreadsheet. Then type in the text you want on your fill button and customize the loading message along with the messages for valid and invalid codes. You can also choose whether the form should reset if someone enters an incorrect code. Once everything looks good, click Update Widget to save your settings, and that's it. Your form is now ready to autofill itself using your Excel data, giving you a fast and accurate workflow. Thanks for watching and happy form building.